In modern production, enormous amounts of data are generated every day. Machines, plants, and IT systems continuously provide information on production status, quality, downtimes, or material flows. But often this data remains unused as it's spread across different systems and is hard to access. Imagine a solution that brings production data together in a structured way and makes it easily accessible. FORCAM ENISCO supports discrete manufacturing companies in controlling their production based on data. With over 30 years of experience, our solutions enable transparent production processes, flexible manufacturing structures, and higher resilience in global supply chains. MES FLEX connects machines, processes, and systems and provides production data in a structured way for real-time analysis and AI applications. At the center is a uniform semantic production data model. This model structures machine signals, production events, and process information in a consistent data structure and makes production data interpretable across systems. On this basis, production data can also be queried via an AI-supported chat. Users simply ask their questions in natural language. The AI accesses the structured production data in MES FLEX and provides immediately understandable answers. Companies remain completely flexible. Customers can use their own LLM and their preferred chat client. Via an MCP server, AI models can directly access production data and combine information from different systems. If machines use different terms, such as good part, yield, or OK part, interpretation becomes difficult. The semantic data model of MES FLEX ensures that production events are described uniformly across all machines. With AI-ready MES FLEX, you create a transparent and consistent databases for your smart factory. Discover how MES FLEX makes your production ready for the age of artificial intelligence. Arrange a personal demo now.